Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you eat 4 eggs every single day? Most people have no idea, and what you're about to learn will surprise you. Because despite all the myths, despite everything you've been told about cholesterol, despite decades of fear and misinformation, eggs are one of the most powerful, complete, and misunderstood foods on the planet. And today, I'm going to show you step by step what 4 eggs a day actually do inside your body, and why your energy, metabolism, brain, eyesight, and even your hormone balance can change more than you think. So, stay with me, because the last few benefits are the ones no one ever talks about. And if any part of this video surprises you, tell me in the comments below. Let's begin. Before we dive into the incredible benefits, we have to address the single biggest fear people still have about eggs. Won't eating these every day raise my cholesterol? Let me be perfectly clear. The answer is no. And the truth is, it never did. This entire fear was built on outdated and flawed research from the 1960s. Research that was later completely debunked. Here's what modern science has proven. Your liver produces the vast majority of your cholesterol internally. It doesn't primarily come from food. So when you eat eggs consistently, here's what actually happens inside your body. Your liver naturally produces less cholesterol to compensate. Your HDL, the good cholesterol, often goes up. Your LDL particles become larger and fluffier. Larger LDL particles are far less dangerous than small, dense ones. Your triglyceride levels frequently improve. Eggs do not create the dangerous, small, dense LDL particles. They actually promote a healthier cholesterol profile. And if that surprises you, we're only getting started. Now let's talk about protein. Think about most protein foods: chicken breast, steak, fish. These are muscle tissues. Their protein structures are dense, tight, and harder to break down. But an egg? An egg wasn't designed for movement. It was designed as the ultimate starter kit for life. It contains every building block needed to grow an entire organism. That's why egg protein has the highest biological value of any natural food. Biological value means how much of this protein can your body actually use. Beef protein, 75–80% usable. Fish protein, 80–85% usable. Chicken protein, around 79% usable. Egg protein, 100% usable. Nothing is wasted. Every gram is used by your body. The results? Faster muscle repair, stronger bones, tendons, ligaments, better hormone and enzyme production, stronger immune system, better skin repair. People think eggs are just protein, but the yolk changes everything. Lean meats give only 10–20% usable energy. Eggs give 65% usable energy because of their natural fats. That means more stable energy. Fewer crashes, better focus, better blood sugar control. This is why eggs keep you full for 4 to 6 hours. That's why eggs are extremely effective for weight loss. Now let's talk about egg whites. Egg whites contain antimicrobial proteins. They destroy harmful bacteria. Why? Because an egg must protect itself before a chick develops. Egg whites contain enzymes that break bacterial walls, proteins that block bacteria from stealing nutrients, molecules that bind iron so bacteria can't use it, compounds that interact with biotin. Myth: raw egg whites cause biotin deficiency. Truth: only raw whites in huge amounts do that. Cooking destroys the compound. Cooked eggs, sarintuf, sam, e turn zero problem. Now let's talk about leucine, a muscle-building amino acid. Leucine is the switch that triggers muscle repair. Eggs are loaded with leucine, especially important if you're over 40. 4 eggs daily support. Muscle retention. Faster recovery. Better strength. Better metabolism. Long-term mobility. Eggs contain choline, B12, and folate. These support a biological process called methylation. Methylation repairs DNA, produces brain chemicals, detoxifies hormones and chemicals. If methylation is weak, you get brain fog, low energy, poor focus, inflammation, sluggish detox, higher fatty liver risk. Up to 40% of adults have weak methylation. Eggs directly fix this. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These act like internal sunglasses for your eyes. They accumulate in the retina. They protect against UV, blue light, and aging. If you use phone or laptop daily, these nutrients help a lot. They even improve night vision. Egg yolks contain phospholipids. These support your brain's cell membranes. Benefits include better memory, better focus, better mood, sharper thinking. Eggs contain vitamin K2 for bones and arteries. Retinol, real vitamin A, for immunity and skin. Vitamin D for mood, hormones, and bones. Caged eggs. Season's not ideal. Cage-free, better, but still crowded.